Show you guys where is a PCV valve on this Honda Civic, this engine. Super easy to replace, literally right there. This is your PCV valve right there. That's all it is. It's important to clean it or replace it, especially this car has like 136,000 miles. Nobody ever did it. It just keeps your engine running well and you will not have any problems. This is our PCV valve right here, and you see you need like a pliers to remove this pinch. Just like this. And now we're gonna wiggle the hose out. There it is. And we're gonna put a socket on there and just unscrew this PCV valve. You need 17mm long socket like this, and it goes on the top of the PCV valve right here. And you see there is no play at all. And we're just gonna unscrew this thing. It's broke loose. Okay, I can undo it by hand now. See, I can go by hand now. Remove your PCV valve, put it on a towel, clean it or replace it. This is it. You see how gunked up it is? And usually you have to listen to this. I can still hear a little clicking, which is good, but it's all gunked up. We're gonna clean it up. And you see all the oil in there? So yeah, we're gonna clean it up. The reason why the PCV valve is so important, because vapor gases get out and then they get burned out in the combustion chamber. And also if it gets clogged up, the vehicle is not, the vapors, like the vehicle is not breathing properly, like engine might be struggling. You might have a check engine and poor performance. And also you might have an oil consumption on the vehicle. So it's important to check it, clean it, or if you want, just replace it. There are a bunch of aftermarket alternatives, but I want to use the OEM Honda. I'm just gonna clean it up. Put it in this container. We're gonna use a brake cleaner. I'm gonna use this one. We're gonna let it soak in.
And just let it get in the hole down there.
Yep.
And
I can see some debris coming out. You see all this? Let it soak in a brake cleaner, and then you can spray it inside the valve, PCV valve. Spray it inside. Good idea to have gloves, and also brush it off a little bit. Doesn't take much to do this. How it looks now after being soaked in, and we're just gonna spray it on the inside and here, and that's about it. But I can already hear click, click, click. Very nice.
it already sounds so much better.
Mm-hmm. Like a science project.
Want to go both ways?
Yeah.
You can see when I shake it, the valve is working and it's passing through the fluid.
Mm-hmm.
You can see there's gunk on the coming out of it.
Yep, some stuff come out.
Yeah.
And that's how it looks. Clean, and you can hear the valve ticking. So that means it's good. You definitely hear it clicking more. Much better. This little thing is clean. Let's reinstall it. No power tools, just by hand. See, it's tight. I'm just gonna use 17mm socket and tighten it up. It's supposed to go nice and easy. See, this was nice and easy by hand. That's it. That's all you need. Don't make it too tight. Put this hose back on and put this clamp back. And just put this clamp back on there. A little bit more down. I don't have the pliers for this. They're nice ones, but that's it. This is how easy on a Honda Civic to do this PCV valve. You can replace it or clean it. Very easy access. No torque required. Don't torque with anything. Just do it by hand. And that's how you do it. Very easy. I think this engine actually works smoother now after the PCV was cleaned. Very nice. Maybe I'm over exaggerating, I don't know, but it does sound good. Very nice little engine, very economical. Just maintain it, and that's it.